So I'm cleaning my teeth because in the last reviews I filmed, I had nothing but lipstick all over my teeth. But I think that's what makes those special. That they're so imperfect, that's the crack in the armor. But I'm here with you to review another product. I'm figuring out that my YouTube channel was going to a review-based form and platform because here's a tangible object. Let's talk about everything around it. Let's talk about the era it's in, what era we're gonna be in, what era we were in. There's just a lot more than a piece of cardboard if you intellectualize it or emotionalize it. But here I am with the lash glue liner from Kiss with the lashes in a pill. I've always wanted to try lash liner. I've seen it quite a bit in the last year, but when a trend is hot, I usually don't hop onto it. I let it simmer and let the formulas develop better, and it was just time to try this out. This is a liquid eyeliner that has lash glue in it, and it's a felt tip, right? I think so. I'm like really excited to try this. I should have maybe read the directions first, but I think it's intuitive to us that eyeliner goes on the eye. Like, I wonder if you have to do like a thick band or... I've learned with liner, you just stamp. Ooh, it does feel sticky already. What do you think of my look What do you think of my look that I've prepared for my date tonight? Are you ready to hear his name? Starts with a T, ends, the second name starts with a C. I will be having a date tonight with Timothée Chalamet. I will be having a date with Timothée Chalamet because I want to watch Dune. Do that, and I'll take the layer that would get on your teeth off. So, do I have to wait or anything? Oh, before the liner has a place to dry, immediately place the lash on top. Well, I didn't do that. Let's cut this off. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, what? It just stuck on like a magnet. And I'm usually into weave bond. And I like weave bond, it's just that weave bond gets it's really wet at the beginning. And it's kind of gummy to work with. But for $4, you can't, like, You can't complain. Wow, do you see that? I'll probably put a zoom in shot. I wonder if it's just so sticky that it just goes on right away. Okay. So I have mascara. Let's put this on under. I found this at TJ Maxx. Let's blend this up. I did have a lash perm for a while, so I can't really curl my lashes. But if we get them wet, like eyelash glue, the lashes, they could stick and dry onto the false lash. That is so cool. This is my favorite product ever. Like, if you can grab this, I got it for $10.49 at CVS. If you can try this, go and try it. How do you girls and boys do red lipstick or lipstick at all? Like, it always gets on my teeth. Like, maybe I just apply too much. But these lashes have just made my nights, and now my eyes are ready to fall into the dreaminess of Timothée Chalamet. Have you watched Dune? I'm excited to watch Dune. That's gonna be my Halloween treat for myself. Is a good movie. A good big budget blockbuster movie. That was the intention that they had making that movie, and that's the movie that I want to buy a ticket to, because I recently watched the Michael Myers movie, and that felt like, it didn't feel like an indie movie. It felt like a movie that was made for a certain audience, and this movie is made to be big. So I want to experience that with the contrast that I just had of Halloween Kills, which you'll probably be seeing that review come in like a day or 2 or 3. If I try to rush the process, it doesn't make me happy. Like, it doesn't feel fulfilled. And when you do it when you're supposed to, it feels like you created a safe bubble around yourself. And it is a bubble that I can blow to you, and you can pop it and receive it, or just let it float by and it'll end up in someone else's hands. But happy Halloween from me and my lash liner. I would recommend this. I think this is so cool. I don't know about the wear test yet, but I don't know. Makeup isn't supposed to be permanent. You can get eyelash extensions for that, but even that, beauty isn't permanent. It's more about, here's my mask that I'm wearing. It's more about the person who put on the mask. Does that make sense? Like, here's my hair, but I'm the person who grew the hair out and stylized the hair. Does that make sense? Like, I am not my hair. But I do love My Hair by Ariana Grande, and I do love Hair by Lady Gaga's. Which one do you like more? I like both. I think I like Hair by Lady Gaga first. Hashtag born this way. But peace out from me. Catch me at the local movie theater. And I would recommend you go watch that movie too, because it's a movie theater experience. You're watching a big movie on a big screen, on a big audience. Hopefully there's no one there, because my town isn't that big for a packed movie theater audience, and I think that's what makes it special to me. And that's what I love. So peace out. Try this liner.